Hey, what's going on, guys? So I know it's been a while since I've made a video. Last, I believe it was my headlight setup, as far as my LEDs. But this is gonna be like part one of, I'm not sure how many, but I found a new crack on my unequal linked headers, and so I'm gonna plan to repair or have that fixed, welded up, and then my previous one, I don't know if I did or didn't mention it on a video. I had a partial of it just welded up, and so reason why I only had partial was because this was my daily driver and I didn't have time to have the headers removed and all that. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys where that is, and the other reason why I'm having them fixed is I'm finally due for emissions, and I've had an O2 sensor issue. I think before I even decided to go unequal length, and I never really fixed that issue, and I don't know, I just kept putting it off. So it is now emissions time, and I basically get a lean O2 sensor, and so it goes lean but smells rich because the headers were cracked. I didn't know about this new one, but from that previous one it always kind of just would smell rich, so I thought, it wasn't working properly. But the other cause of it being a lean, after doing some research, it's because the gases and all that is basically coming out of that from the cracks and all that before it even gets to the O2 sensor, so then which causes it to read lean. So that is part of the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. And so here is the new crack that I had just found, and this crack is right after, as it comes up to the header. This one is my driver's side, and then this other one loops around passenger side, and I have already removed these bolts, which are a 14, and this side on my driver's side is a little bit more tougher as far as using a socket. I just used a 14mm wrench on that, and with the room that I have basically between the frame and the header, you're able to remove that from there. And I don't know if I showed the old one is up in between that right there, so I'm gonna check that out. But anyways, I will keep updating you guys, and there's quite a bit of other things I might want to have fixed, either myself or either have taken to a shop. But it's, I believe, a head gasket on the passenger side might be leaking, and I want to say somewhere up in behind my oil pan it didn't seal properly. So other than that, I will keep updating you guys. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And sorry, I'm stuck. And I'll be sure to get to you guys. So, alright, have a good day, guys.